Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Well, I'm doing great too. And it is 4:30 in the evening, and it's raining all over. Let me just pan the phone and show you. You can see it's raining now. I was planning to go out just for a walk actually, but looks like I won't be able to do that. Also, let me tell you that we are now in a containment zone because last week we had a couple of positive cases that came out from here. So this particular area has been declared as a containment zone and it has been completely sealed. So looks like it will stay like that for another 10 days. So I'll have to stay home for another 10 days before I could move out freely. So yeah guys, I came back from Bangalore. It's been about 5 days. I reached here on 25th of September and it's been about 5 days now because today is 30. Yeah, it's 30 today. So yeah, I was looking forward to come back home because it was quite a long time back there in Bangalore, and moreover I had plannings to come before, but because of the COVID situation I got stuck. Nonetheless, it's better late than never, so I'm kind of enjoying my stay at home. And the great thing is that I'm going to stay here for another couple of months. So unlike previous time when I used to stay for about 10 or 15 days, unfortunately, that's not the case this time. This time I'm going to stay for long. So I'm looking forward to a stay of 3 months because my office is going to open by December end. And it might extend as well, looking at the situation, because the cases in Bangalore particularly are increasing. It's just rising. So I don't think the offices will open in near future. Even December is not certain. So let's see. But yeah, I've got a couple of months in my hand to stay here in my native is for sure, and I'm really happy about it. Because I have got this time to spend with my family, with my friends, and I can spend time in the landscape where I was born. So yeah, it feels like a homecoming, honestly, because never before have I felt so elated and so overjoyed. I've come home, I do come home twice a year, at times thrice also, given I have my leaves. But this time the feeling is very different because it's not about 10-15 days, as I said earlier. It's about a stretch of 3 months, or it could be more than that also, depending on the situation. So yeah, I'm really overjoyed. I'm delighted for the fact that I'll get a lot of time, to spend with my family, to go around places, that I haven't visited lately, and meet those friends whom I haven't met for quite a long time. I've only spoken to them over phone. So yes, yeah, it will feel like homecoming, and I'm really feeling great about that. So at the moment I'm at my in-laws place. I'm just enjoying the rain, and my home is not very far from here. So probably once the rain settles down, everything gets better, then I can go back to my home. The weather, well, when I reached here, I'm talking about 25th, it was cloudy and it was raining. So for 2 days it stayed the same, and then the weather cleared and it became sunny and bright and warm. And it was like that until this afternoon, and suddenly it started raining, as you can see now. So yeah, it's kind of going on, whatever it is, but it feels nice. The weather is not determined, it cannot really spoil my mood. My spirit is high, and my happiness, my joy has no bound, certainly for the fact that I'm at home. And nothing in the world can really, make up for the feeling that you really get when you're at home. So that is something I can feel now. That is something I can experience now. Because previously when I used to come back home, I had something in my mind that okay, I have to live here for 10 days. And the days used to pass, right? Okay, 1 day gone, 2 days gone. Now I have got 8 days left. 3 days gone, 4 days gone, 5 days. Similarly, you won't be able to enjoy basically. What happens is, in your subconscious mind, you will always have that, okay, I'll have to go home I'll have to go back to Bangalore once the leave is over. So that's not the case this time. Yeah, so I'm really glad about that. So thank you everyone. Thanks for joining me. Let me just pan the camera and show you the rain, and also let me show you the front yard of my in-laws. They've got a couple of banana trees and then a couple of papaya trees. It looks really nice, and they're all full of fruits. So let me just pan it and show it to you. So this is the front yard, guys, and you can see across there are 2-3 banana trees, and all of them have the fruits. They are loaded with bananas. And also, if I can tilt it up and show you the papaya trees, I'm not sure if you can see it through the lips, but yeah, that's the tall papaya tree. Even that has fruits. So I'm getting to eat a lot of bananas and papayas thanks to my in-laws, because they have been tending this garden, and they have been caring for the tree, and because of their effort, the trees have grown so large and bearing the fruit. So that's how it looks like. So we've got a lemon tree here, and I don't know what tree is this. And that banana tree, that belongs to my neighbor, which was given by my in-law to them. Yeah, so they even believe in sharing. That's a great thing. So thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot. And yeah, I'm at home, so I'm just waiting for this quarantine, and rather this lockdown to get over. And once the seal is removed, because the area has been barricaded and we are not able to move out, there's a lot of restriction, of course, and nobody's able to move out. So I'm just waiting for this period to get over, and once all the restrictions are lifted, probably I'll move out, and then I can show you a lot of places around, the places that I grew up watching. I'll show you the river, I'll show you the ponds, the lakes, the jungles. I'll try my best. I'll show you the market, the bazaar, and I'll show you all the localities. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining me. See you soon. You all have a great day. Thanks.